Hello everyone, welcome to WebSense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir with a new tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can speed up your website using NextGen image format on your WordPress website. So speed optimization is one of the most important factor affecting ranking of your website, and if you're looking to improve your website speed, you should be implementing NextGen image format on your WordPress website. So as you can see a test result on my screen, and one of the most important opportunity, it's saying that you should be using serve image in NextGen format. So in today's tutorial, we will be adding a free plugin to add NextGen formats. So without further ado, let's jump into the backend of our WordPress website. So guys, that's our WordPress website, where we will be adding WebP image format. So one of the most easiest method which we can do without using a plugin is just use an online converter and convert the images and upload it to your WordPress website, because after version 5.8 in WordPress, they allowed to upload WebP image format. Let me show you how. So we will be searching WebP image converter. Here you can see we can see the WebP image converter. So I'm going to click on that. Download one of the image. So for example, use this image. As you can see, it's an PNG image. Obviously, PNG image is heavier than the WebP image because WebP images are 1/3 as compared to JPEG and PNGs. So after saving this file on my desktop, I'm going to convert this to WebP format. So let's upload it to our converter. Convert it to WebP. Click on convert. And here we have our WebP image format ready to be uploaded. So let's download and see what's the difference in size first. So that's a PNG image. And let's check the size of our PNG image. So as you can see is 113 KB. I'm going to go to my downloads and see the size of WebP image. That's a WebP image. And the size of this image is around 36 KB. As you can see, the difference between the sizes of these two images. So in PNG we have 113 KB, and in WebP format we have around 36 KB in the size. So it's 1/3 of the original size. Now after converting it, we can simply upload it to this section, but it's not a recommended way to add WebP on your WordPress website, because still there are 8 to 10% of the browsers which does not support WebP image format. So if someone is using those browsers which are not supporting the WebP image format, your image will not be showing up. And in order to tackle this, we can use a free plugin called Imagify. And in this plugin, they have the feature to use WebP image only if it's supported in the browser. So for example, if you're using a browser which is not supporting a WebP image format, they'll simply show the JPEG or the PNG image format. Now what we're going to do, we'll add a WordPress plugin on our website. So let's search for Imagify, and we already have the website, imagify.io. Click on WordPress plugin, get Imagify for WordPress, click on that, and here we have our plugin downloaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to dashboard of our WordPress website, open it on new tab. From the left hand menu, hover on plugins, click on add new, and from there click on upload plugin, choose file, and then upload your plugin. Click on install now. Activate the plugin. And after activating the plugin, it's asking you to sign up for Imagify account. So it's free to use, but on free account, they have a limit of 20 MB image optimization per month. So you can optimize 20 MB of your images per month. That's a limitation for the free account. But we can use that in order to optimize a home page and some of the inner pages as well. I'm going to click on sign up and enter my email. Click on sign up. After signing up, you will have your API key emailed on your inbox. And after receiving an API key, click on I have my API key and then paste your API key. Once you add your API key, your account will be connected to your WordPress website and you'll be able to optimize your images. So you can optimize every single image one by one by going to Media Library. As you can see, you have this option showing up. So I'm going to click on one of the image. So for example, this one, click on optimize. After a few seconds, your image will be optimized. And as you can see, original size of the image was approximately 59 KB. And after optimization, it's around 37 KB, which saved us around 38% of the file size. If you are not willing to do image optimization one by one, you can also do that via bulk optimization. So click on bulk optimization. And click on Imagify all. Once you do that, it's going to take about like 5 to 10 minutes, depend on your media library. It's going to optimize all of your website. Obviously, it's only going to optimize 20 MB, and because it has a limit on a free account, you can check your limit by logging into your Imagify account as well. And that image is for like monthly limit. You can do the optimization for the remaining images next month if you still want to use the free account. But it's a really great free tool to add WebP image format, which will make your website faster and to rank better. That's it for the tutorial, guys. If you like, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to it, and comment in the video below. Until next video, have a great day.